All right, guys, we have had a 6.4 magnitude earthquake striking in China. This was in the Jiashi County. Cities affected by this were Kashgar and Artux. Those are the cities right now that are reporting feeling the shaking. A very powerful quake, a depth of about 165 miles here. So not a particularly shallow quake, but yet still the magnitude high enough to cause some extensive shaking there. Witnesses reporting the effects of the quake. This took place at 9:21 p.m. local time there in China. Now, this was the third earthquake to hit the region there in this particular area in Jiashi County in the past 47 hours. And so here we go again. This could be the start of something here as quakes continuing to rumble in China. Is it going to possibly lead to more? Is there prophetic significance with these quakes, everything that's going on? We know what the Bible says in Matthew chapter 24, that there will be earthquakes in diverse places. They're happening more frequently. They're getting more powerful. And I think this is just only the start. We'll bring you more news on this as it comes in. Good thing right now, no reports of any major damages or injuries with this quake. So that is very good news there. Our prayers to everybody there in China. I'll be back with more. You guys take care. Please be safe out there. God bless each and every single one of you. And I will talk with you soon.